Great minds discuss ideas. Average minds discuss events. Small minds discuss people. And that is the thought for today. Welcome to 7 Good Minutes. I'm Clyde Lee Dennis. Thanks for joining me for what I believe will be 7 of the most enriching minutes of your day. In today's episode of 7 Good Minutes, we talk about mindfulness and creativity, unlocking your inner artist. Enjoy. Mindfulness and creativity are deeply connected, and understanding this connection can open new pathways for your creative expression. When you practice mindfulness, you cultivate a state of presence and awareness that enhances your ability to observe the world without judgment. This heightened awareness allows you to see details and patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed, sparking inspiration and new ideas. By focusing on the present moment, you reduce mental clutter and create space for creativity to flourish. Mindfulness helps you break free from habitual thinking patterns, encouraging you to explore novel approaches and solutions. This process not only boosts your creativity, but also brings a sense of joy and fulfillment as you engage fully with your creative pursuits. There are several techniques you can use to enhance your creativity through mindfulness. One effective method is mindful observation. Take a few minutes each day to observe your surroundings with full attention. Notice colors, shapes, textures, and sounds without labeling or analyzing them. This practice sharpens your senses and opens your mind to new creative possibilities. Another technique is mindful breathing. Set aside time to focus on your breath, noticing the sensation of each inhale and exhale. This simple practice calms your mind and enhances your concentration, allowing creative ideas to flow more freely. Additionally, mindful movement, such as yoga or walking meditation, can stimulate creativity by connecting your body and mind, fostering a state of relaxed alertness conducive to creative thinking. Overcoming creative blocks can be challenging, but mindfulness offers powerful tools to help you navigate these obstacles. When you encounter a creative block, take a moment to pause and breathe. Acknowledge any frustration or self-doubt without judgment, then let it go. Shifting your focus to the present moment can release mental tension and open the door to new insights. Another strategy is to practice mindful acceptance. Embrace the block as a natural part of the creative process rather than a setback. This acceptance reduces resistance and allows creative energy to flow more freely. Engaging in a different mindful activity, such as drawing, writing, or listening to music, can also spark inspiration and help you move past the block. Real-life examples of mindfulness-boosting creativity abound in various fields. Many artists, writers, and musicians have incorporated mindfulness into their routines with remarkable results. For instance, renowned writer Elizabeth Gilbert practices meditation to quiet her mind and enhance her creative process. Similarly, musician and composer John Cage used mindfulness to explore the relationship between silence and sound, leading to groundbreaking compositions. In the business world, companies like Google and Apple encourage mindfulness practices among employees to foster innovation and creative problem-solving. These examples illustrate how mindfulness can transform your approach to creativity, leading to unique and impactful outcomes. Incorporating mindfulness into your creative routine can be simple and rewarding. Start by setting aside a few minutes each day for mindfulness practice. Choose a time when you can be undisturbed, such as early morning or before bed. Begin with basic mindfulness techniques, such as mindful breathing or observation, and gradually integrate these practices into your creative activities. For example, you might start a painting session with a few minutes of mindful breathing to center yourself, or take a mindful walk to gather inspiration before writing. Consistency is key. The more you practice mindfulness, the more natural it will become, and the greater its impact on your creativity. By making mindfulness a regular part of your routine, you'll unlock your inner artist and experience the joy of creative expression in new and profound ways. That does it for today's episode of 7 Good Minutes. Please take a moment to rate and review the show on the platform you're listening on. Until next time, let's be civil to one another out there. Thanks for listening.